Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make some steam snapper. But before we get started on the snapper, you saying snapper? That's my grandson in the background, guys. I have here a whole clove garlic, and I have few tomatoes here that I cut in half. My oven is on 350, and I'm gonna roast these about 10-15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes, Pooh. Say 15 minutes. Okay, guys, let's get these in the oven about 10-15 minutes. 350. Okay. Put the timer on. Okay. Okay, now here is my fish, my snappers over here. Already cleaned, but I'm gonna clean them up some more, of course, before I season them. Mom? Yes, baby? Putting some lemon juice in here. I have to make sure that don't you touch it, Pooh. Make sure there's no extra scale still on them. Put my 3 slices on each side. Guys, I'm going to finish cleaning these up and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm finished cleaning the fish up, guys. Here we go. So much water, we can drain out this water. Say again. Here we go. Oh, I'm not seeing that. Here we go. This is my fish. So I'm going to season these up really good right now. Good boy. You're gonna drink that up? Oh, you're such a good boy. Okay, I'm going to start with my green seasoning, of course. That's about a tablespoon and a half. Some black pepper. Gotta get the insides, both sides. Some smoked paprika. I'm trying so hard not to sneeze because I'm going to have to run away from here. I forgot the salt. The first thing we always start with is salt. So let's get a pinch of salt on these. Ooh, the bottom of my box is burst. I gotta put this in a mason jar today. Juice. No more juice? So you're gonna have to wait a minute and grandma finish and clean our hands, okay? Go eat your fruits and then I'll give you some juice later. Who? Go eat your fruits. Grandma get you some juice later. This is nice and dark today. Put it right here. Let's get some garlic powder. Trying to say garlic powder.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
What you saying?
Yay!
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 Yay! That's good boy. Say good boy.
Woo!
Ooh, you did it.
Let's do it.
Some onion powder.
And white.
Hmm? Be careful.
This.
Careful. Some Creole seasoning. What are you saying? Hmm? And some Old Bay seasoning, of course. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Living. Ooh. I'm not smiling with you, okay? And lastly, I'm gonna add a pinch of Lowry seasoning salt. I like my steamed fish to be really seasoned.
Mama.
What? Stop.
Stop.
You stop. Xavier. See, when Grandma stops saying poo and she starts saying Xavier, you know she's serious, right? Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and come back. Okay, guys, welcome back. So my tomatoes and my garlic roasted, and I lied to you. It took about 20 minutes, and the garlic could use more. When it got soft, I could pull it up. So we're gonna move on to cooking the fish. It did give me time though to get my dumplings and sweet potatoes and cassava going. So in the pot here, I'm gonna use a little olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. First thing I'm gonna add are the tomatoes because I want them Yeah. I'm gonna add some sliced onions in here. I don't have time to cool down the garlic, so let me get a bowl. Squeeze that garlic in this bowl. Xavier, did you spill the juice down there that I just mopped that floor, Xavier?
Yeah.
You got a lot of nerve. You go like, yeah. But I'm not gonna pow you, okay? Okay, guys, let's just saute this down. I'm getting the garlic ready to go in there too. But I'm not gonna give you papa this evening. There's the garlic. So let's put it in here. More garlic. Ooh, yeah, more garlic. This is the last of it. Yeah. Okay. It's okay, just leave it out there. You gonna put it out? Let me help you. Oh, you know how sticky that's when I get it out of my butt up soon? I hope you don't slip and slide in it before I get there. Okay. Oh my God, that smells so good. Smells good. Okay, we have a piece of thyme in here. Put that in the garbage. And I have some chopped up fresh pumpkin. Say pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay guys, this has been cooking about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the fishes in here. Washing out the bowl, I season it up and pour some extra liquid in there. And then I have a can of coconut milk. So much of the fat is just sitting on the top. Just get it all in there. Baby, where are you? What are you doing? I don't like when you're so quiet. I'm gonna layer on this some bell peppers. This is we Jamaicans call it chocho. I believe here they call it chayote, something similar to that. I may be saying it wrong. I have large green onion that I dice in two, some more thyme, and a hot pepper. I'm not gonna, because my grandbaby's here, I'm not going to burst that hot pepper. And some more onions. I'm gonna cover this, and I will come back to check on it in 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we are at least, it's been cooking for like 30 minutes, like I said. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to this. And I'm going to get you a better view, because this looks so good. So good. It smells divine in here, y'all. I mean, it smells so smack-alicious in here. I'm gonna slowly cook this, guys, for about another 30 minutes. I will see you soon. Look at that delicious lookingness, huh? Look at all that delicious lookingness. I can't wait to enjoy this. See you back soon. Okay guys, I'm back. We have delicious, scrumptious steam snapper. And I just left the kitchen for a moment and come back. And my Pooh Bear has made another big old mess for me to clean up. Yeah, Grandma gonna pank you. You need to clean that up, Pooh. Look at it, guys. Guys, I just want to say thank you for visiting my channel, for watching my videos. I appreciate the support. If you like what you see, I really would appreciate if you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification button not to miss a video. Like, comment, and share with everyone who wants to make delicious home-cooked meals. I appreciate the support very much. Thank you guys. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy out there. Have a wonderful evening.